Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be checking out the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I just got this. It is a case band combo all in one. Right now I'm just rocking this Amazon special like $4 band on my watch, and the only reason I changed it was because the band that comes with the watch is a loop, and I have a wireless charging pad, and it would not, the band didn't separate very easily. I mean, it did, but you had to size it and everything, stuff like that. So it's just hard to use on a wireless charging pad. So that's why I picked that other band up. But we're going to check this Spigen one out. I just like the look of this one. I was just on Amazon, and I think this thing was under like $15. I think mostly it was like $13. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it here. Alright, so there we go. Oop, bump the camera. So there is the band right here. Like I said, it is all in one. Alright, so there it is. And the instructions say you just take the watch itself and slide the top half in. Maybe. Kind of just press it in there. There we go. So it just presses in, just like so, and there we go. Easy install. That's what the back looks like, and then to pop it out, if you want to pop it out, you just push it out. Opposite of installation. So there is the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro for the Watch 5 Pro, and there is the packaging, and then that is the install instructions right there, in case you guys are curious. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.